Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a review about two Poprace models. Yesterday I did a review about these two Poprace models, and today it's again a Yaris and this Stagea R34 Nissan, both in a 1/64 scale. Let's start with this one because I'm waiting for this one for a very long time. Let's take off the plastic. We're going to have a look at the package first, barcode and article number. Is it a licensed model? I have no idea. I don't see anything that says a license. Nice picture of the car. Yep. Let's open it up. I believe it comes with an opening part. I do have other models from Poprace. Well, basically the same but different livery. There we go. Nice box package. So windows all over this side. Good rolling wheels as well in the back as in the front. Flat base, no details, but it is metal with a silver exhaust tip. Slick tires, no profile. We got the front lanced headlights, and we don't see any GTR logo here in front. But we do have a license plate here in the back. I like that. And Toyo tires and lanced lights here in the back. Windscreen wiper not molded in the glass. I like that. So I don't think this is a licensed model. And I even think this is a model from the start, back in the beginning, that Poprace start producing models. But again, I'm not 100% sure. I like this here on the roof. Okay, the opening part. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah, we switch to a different camera. Some light. Yeah, very nice engine. Looks really, really good. Let's have a look at the interior. That's also a thing that I think it's important. Yeah, black interior, no colored details. Right hand steering, and as you can see, it's an authentic steering wheel. Let's have a look in the back. There is no stuff in the back. Like I said yesterday, it would be cool if there was some stuff in the back. Yep, a very cool car with perfect rolling wheels. Okay, let's go to the next one. Pandem GR Yaris, black color. See, here we do see official licensed product. That is what we like. Barcode and article number. Let's take it out of the plastic. There we go. Oh, this one is absolutely fantastic. Check this out. Check the carbon, check the wheels, the tires, Advent tires. There's also Yokohama on it. Perfect rims. carbon here, carbon fiber here, all the way around. We got a license plate. I think there is a scratch on the license plate. How is that in the back? No, basically the same. So I think it says Yaris here on top and 30 on the right. We have a better look here on the back. Very cool that it comes with a license plate. Thank you very much, Poprace, for that. Yeah, same ducktail as on the shell one. And also a roll cage inside. Thought there were some scratches, but it's not. That's a good thing. Rocket Bunny Racing, I like that. This is a very cool one. No opening parts here. We do have landslides in front. We got the Toyota logo. Perfect rolling wheels. And we got a nice chrome base, chrome metal base with some details. Same tires as the shell version, normal screwed, so you can do some customizing, but I don't think that's necessary with this beauty right here. Let's have a look inside the interior. It's a right hand steering. Yeah, just like the one from yesterday. I'm not sure if you can see, but the handbrake is pretty long. It's a little bit difficult to see. Maybe we can see it from the other side, but I think that's a cool detail. Yeah, difficult to see. So cool that it has a license plate, and the paint is fantastic. Be careful with sticky fingers. Okay, then I got a similar one right here. This is from what I believe the brand Street Weapon. Got a plastic base but with details, and there is a profile on the tires. You can see the side, black rims. I'm a fan of black rims, so I like those black rims a little bit more. So you got the GTR logo in the middle with the one from Street Weapon. One from Street Weapon. Yeah, pretty much the same size. Here it has a place for a license plate, so that is cool. And also on the back, this one already got a license plate, and the lights are a little bit lighter. And here there is no heating in the back window, so this one has heating in the back window, but the windscreen wiper is molded in the glass. So some of the details from Poprace are better, and some of the details from Street Weapon are better. You want to see the interior of the Street Weapon? Well, let's do that. Why not? Yeah, looking good. Black interior, so black windows. We can't see if there is anything in the back. Good seats. Perfect. Okay. This one is also a lot heavier than this one. Oh, and this one has brake disc, brake claw. Yeah, this is definitely from the beginning. Maybe I can see something on the package. Maybe this is, the barcode says that it's made in 21. No, it's not, because here it says 76, so I don't see anything with the date, but maybe you can tell me if this is from the beginning of Poprace. I think so. I think so. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button if you want to see more diecast cars. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye.